Hey folks, today we have the best trypophobia triggers of 2017 from the world of plants. So while you look at some interesting images and videos, we'll give you a few facts about trypophobia. And at the end, we'll show you the plant that's most associated with trypophobia in 2017. Trypophobia is the proposed fear of irregular patterns or clusters of small holes or bumps. Although the American Psychiatric Association doesn't recognize trypophobia as a diagnosis, they do admit that people can have a phobia to anything, and there is definitely something to this phenomenon. Some experts believe that our reaction to these kinds of images is from biological revulsion, and that we associate these images with danger because they resemble things such as holes made by stinging insects, or rotten or moldy things, or objects that contain parasites. And now, here's the plant that has been most associated with trypophobia in 2017, the lotus pod. It has an interesting combination of holes and bumps, and some people have commented that the lotus seeds themselves resemble eyeballs and add to the creepy effect. Interesting. Well, what do you think? Is the lotus seed pod the creepiest plant, or is there another one that you think is worse? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. We have new content all the time. And see you next time.
So I decided to try rest more. So I took 2 pills and drank a glass of water, and within 20-30 minutes I got knocked out, and I slept really well, and I have like no residual, like, you know, sleepy, drowsy feeling. I just feel really wide awake.